For those HubsPot lovers, another tutorial for you guys. And yeah, if you want to create a module or a design, something like this, make sure you stay tuned because I'm gonna walk you through the process and step-by-step tutorial as well on how you can do it. I'm gonna provide the code as well, and I will create an article version for that, but I highly suggest that you watch my videos so you know the process. And there are also some information that I will not put in my article version that it is included on this video, so make sure you watch it, the entire video. Hi, so this is another HubSpot tutorial, and we will create a one-pager for our landing page. What's the special about this is I created a custom menu for our landing page, but it also supports a one-pager. So as you can see here, I mean, there's nothing special. If you click the shop, then this can be simply achievable. However, I did something as well, like in the menu, this, just remove that one. So if I go that one and then click this and then I click shop, it just something like that. So if you love this kind of effect, then I'm going to teach you how this works, and I'll provide a source code as well and step-by-step tutorial on my article version. But make sure that you watch the entire video as well, so you know the process, because sometimes there's some information in my blog that I did not mention in my video, and in both sides there's also some information in my blog that I have not mentioned in my video, so you need to check them both. Anyway, so let me try to open this module. Okay, let's try to open this landing page. So I have set, I believe, hold on. Yeah, so I'm gonna open the edit template, and let's see how my mobile menu works. So like that. But before anything else, I just want to hold on. Let me just open my landing page. I created a two module. Number one is for the ID classes, and the number two is for the header menu. Okay, and I make the menu local instead of global, so I can manipulate the language switcher. By the way, if you want to learn more about language switcher in HubSpot, I have other tutorial on that, so just check on my description below if you want to implement the language switcher into your website. So you need to have this. So basically, like, I want this thing, this shop, this menu to be in shop. So I created I put in an ID called shop, and then this one as well, reviews, and then this one as well called, reviews, and the other one is about. Okay, so we need to have two modules. Number one is for the ID, and the number two is for our header. So I'm going to open the designer module. Again, you can access your designer manager under marketing and files and template and designer tools. So this is the template for the landing page. Now this is the module that I created. I called it one pager menu, and then I also have the ID. So I'll open the ID just to see ID. So this is the ID class. So I just have this HTML code. Class is the ID. And then module section, I created a text field in here, and then I just called the module there. So it is dynamic. It changed dynamically according to what name you have set up into your section ID. So this is this first module. You need to create a section ID module, and the second one is we need to create the one pager. Okay, so this is the code for the header. Okay, this is the code for the header. I'm gonna put it on my blog description again for more information. And if you are confused, then just leave me a message on my Facebook or email me at hi@bookwormhead.com. I'll try to answer your question. And then we just need to add, after this one, I'm gonna put all the codes on my source code, this, and these are the fields as well that I've used. And then there is a code that I just added. Okay, the code that I've added in here. So this is the default jQuery from HubSpot, but I just added something. So this one, if is this the one that I have added? No, I don't think this is the right one that I've added, but let's just see. Wait a minute. This one, sorry. So this is the language switcher module. I opened up the wrong one. So this is the code. I'm gonna put all the codes in here. And similar with the custom JS, this is the default jQuery from HubSpot, but I just added one code. So this one. So I set like if a one pager is clicked, then I want to remove the custom primary class. I want to toggle it. So I want to toggle that one, and then toggle the mobile class as well. The mobile open is the class in order to make the, to make this one, this menu visible. So if I click the So if I click the one pager, so this one pager. So where did I get the one pager? Where did I get the one pager? It's in the, hold on. So the logic in that, let's just open this top menu in here, and then let's open the mobile, this one, the mobile menu. So in the mobile menu, I added a class called one pager class. So one pager class. If the one pager class is clicked, because if we didn't do that one, so let's try to remove that so you can see what I'm trying to say in here. So let's try to remove that and then click the publish, and I'll try to refresh this one and open this, and then like that. Sorry, hide. So as you can see that, I mean, it's just going to the page, but we want to remove this mobile menu once it is clicked. We want something like that. That's why I added a class called one pager. Okay, if the one pager is clicked, if any of the elements that has a one pager class is clicked, then we want to toggle the primary wrapper, the menu, and we also want to toggle the class mobile. And actually, I need to simplify that one. There should be a simplified version for that, but again, I'm gonna update that on my blog version for polish, to make it polish. So if you click the about us, so it's just doing what we are trying to achieve. So that's it. I hope you find this valuable. Let me know if you have any questions, and yeah, so basically here you just need to have 4 fields. Number 1 field is mobile menu for text field, and then you need to have a choices if you want to support multiple languages, like if you have Arabic, if you have English. Again, I have a tutorial version of that on my other video. If you're interested in that, then check it out. Then I do also have a menu for the desktop. So I have two kinds of menu, one for desktop menu and the other one is for the mobile menu. The desktop menu doesn't have a one-pager class and the mobile menu has a one-pager class. I hope that makes sense. That's it for today, guys. Make sure you comment down below and leave me a feedback.